Hello everyone. So this is a simple program of simple interest which I have written using C program. So I have written this program within the main function. So as we know, a function consists of a function name, then the parenthesis where we can pass the parameter of the function and the body of the function. So this is the function name, this is the parenthesis. If we need to pass any parameter to the function, we declare it in here inside this parenthesis. This is the opening of the body of the function, and this is the closing of the function. So inside the body of the function, what we write, the things that are needed to be done are written within the body of the function. So here I have declared two integer type variables and two float type variables. So before using p and r in any program, before using the variable, we first need to define what type of variables are they. So since I have used here p and r, so before using these variables, we first need to declare their types, their data types. These are their data types. P and R are integer type, and S and SI and R are float type variables. So what are printf and scanf? These are also functions. Printf and scanf, they are inbuilt function. What does printf do? They will display this message on the screen. Enter the value of p and r. So printf will display this message on the screen. They will print the entire things written within their parenthesis. So enter the value of p and r. You will see this message on your screen. So then what we have to do, we have to enter the value of p and r. Suppose p you have entered 1000, n you have entered 3 years, r you have entered 2.5, anything you can enter. So since p will be integer type, so we should declare it as %d. N is also integer type, but r, rate of interest, is float type. So for these three variables, we have declared their types over here, and then we have assigned the memory address. This is the address, memory address p, name p, n and r. The p and r values that you will be entering from the keyboard will be stored in these respective locations. Okay, the computer will store it in this respective location, and their types will be of, these two will be integer, first two, and the second one, that is the rate of interest, will be float type, and these two will be integer type. Now in the body of the function, we also should write the formula for simple interest. We should tell everything to the computer. So the formula also we have to write. The formula for simple interest is p and r by 100. And then, oh, I forgot to mention, after the completion of each line, we should write, we should never forget to give the semicolon. Okay, if you don't put the semicolon, they will show an error. So you need to put semicolon after each line within the body of the function. So the p and r values will be calculated, and then it will be divided by 100 because it is the formula for simple interest, and then it will be stored in another variable named si. What is si? We have declared si is a float type variable. So why we have declared si? as a float type variable because we know that this formula will return a real value. So we have beforehand declared it as a float type variable. So the result, you need to see the result on your screen, right? So you have to print display using printf function. So printf, what will it print? The value of si. The value of si is again float type, so we have to write %f. It is not integer. If it would have written integer type variable, then we would have written as %d. But since it will return a float type variable, so we have written it as %f. Then we will close the curly braces. Hope this simple interest formula using C program is clear to you all. If you have any queries, please let me know in the comment section. Thank you. Bye bye. Please like and subscribe my channel.